Kanpur, the Manchester of India, is a large city in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is the 12th most populous city of India and houses the 11th biggest urban population. The city is famous for its leather and textile industries. It is the untreated discharge of wastewater from these tanneries that makes Kanpur one of the most polluted stretches alongside the river Ganga. To address this challenge, the NMCG, in collaboration with Judgmount Tannery Effluent Treatment Association, conceptualized the Greenfield 20 MLD CETP. The prestigious contract for the CETP was assigned to WABAG, which has a proven track record of executing similar CETPs. This 20 MLD CETP is the first industrial effluent treatment project under Namami Gange, and on its successful completion will be the largest tannery ETP in India. The process design consists of two streams, namely the liquid and the sludge line. The influent passes through the coarse and fine screens, post which it moves to the detritus for the removal of coarse materials. The liquid then moves to the pre-settling and homogenization tanks. The pre-treated effluent then flows to the primary treatment section, which consists of chemically catalyzed physical processes like flocculation, primary clarification, and sulfide oxidation. These processes facilitate the turbidity and sulfide removal in the effluent. The primary treated effluent then enters the secondary treatment section. This biological stage reduces the high amount of nitrate which is present in the tannery effluent by a dual system of aeration and clarification, which results in the maximum removal of BOD and COD, followed by lime soda softening clarifier to remove the suspended solids and excess hardness. The effluent finally enters the tertiary treatment section, which consists of quartz filters and ultrafiltration. The UF permeate is then mixed with treated sewage from existing STP, ensuring that the TDS is diluted to less than 2100 mg per liter, which is the desired limit. The sludge handling section is designed to treat the biological and chemical sludge generated from the effluent treatment. With units such as biological and chemical sludge tanks with thickeners, this phase houses dedicated filter presses to achieve 20% solid consistency. Also, the odor control system is an integral part of the tannery wastewater management and comprises of the bio-trickling filter followed by the activated carbon filter. The proposed CETP, which treats effluent arising from 400 numbers of tanneries, would boast of tertiary level treatment including UF in phase 1 and RO in phase 2. Common chrome recovery unit of 900 KLD capacity, which reclaims chrome and other salts for reuse. In addition to this, the project also features a zero liquid discharge plant of 200 KLD capacity equipped with high recovery rates to the likes of 95%. WABAG extends its heartfelt gratitude to the NMCG and JATETA for entrusting the responsibility of developing such a marquee plant and sustainable water infrastructure for the Manchester of India, Kanpur.